In the vast theater of our universe, few objects command as much fascination and fear as black holes. These cosmic monsters, where gravity's grip is so fierce that not even light can escape, have puzzled scientists for decades. But recent discoveries are revealing black holes to be even stranger than we ever imagined. From wandering giants to cosmic heartbeats, here are 10 mind-blowing facts about black holes that will challenge everything you thought you knew about these enigmatic objects. Fact 1. Our galaxy's misaligned black hole. Right at the heart of our own Milky Way galaxy sits Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole weighing more than 4 million times the mass of our Sun. But there's something peculiar about our galactic monster. It's spinning unusually fast and completely out of alignment with the rest of our galaxy. Using the remarkable Event Horizon telescope, which captured the first ever image of this black hole in 2022, scientists have discovered that Sagittarius A was likely born from a cataclysmic collision between two giant black holes. Its lopsided rotation is the cosmic scar of this violent origin, rather like a spinning top that's been knocked sideways. This discovery suggests that even the seemingly stable anchor of our galaxy has a dramatic, turbulent past that continues to influence its behavior today. Fact 2. Awakening giants. Black holes aren't always active. Many lie dormant for millions of years, having already consumed everything within reach. But in an extraordinary observation, astronomers recently witnessed a sleeping giant suddenly roar back to life. After a long period of inactivity, this black hole began to shine brightly as it started capturing new material. This rare transition from dormancy to activity is like watching a cosmic beast awaken from hibernation, a process that happens so rarely that scientists are still puzzled about what triggers it. This awakening reminds us that black holes aren't static objects frozen in time, but dynamic entities that can surprise us when we least expect it. Fact 3. Gluttonous monsters. How did supermassive black holes grow so enormous so quickly after the Big Bang? The James Webb Space Telescope may have found the answer in a black hole called LID 568. Spotted as it appeared, just 1.5 billion years after the universe began, this ravenous monster is consuming material at 40 times its theoretical feeding limit, what scientists call the Eddington limit. It's like watching someone eat 40 dinners in one sitting. This discovery suggests that early black holes didn't play by the rules, allowing them to bulk up at extraordinary rates and reach the mind-boggling sizes we see today. Fact 4. Cosmic jets of unprecedented scale. Some black holes don't just consume, they also create spectacular cosmic fountains. As they feed, they can launch twin jets of plasma that travel at nearly the speed of light. The black hole jet pair named Porphyrion, after a giant in Greek mythology, truly lives up to its namesake. Stretching an astonishing 23 million light-years in length, these jets span a distance equivalent to 140 Milky Way galaxies laid end to end. To put that in perspective, if our solar system were the size of a coin, these jets would stretch across an entire city. They're the largest structures ever produced by a single object in the universe. Fact 5. Black hole blowtorches. Black holes don't just affect their immediate surroundings. They can trigger dramatic events across vast distances. For the first time, scientists have observed a black hole jet causing distant stars to explode in brilliant flashes, called novas. What's particularly baffling is that these stars weren't directly hit by the jet. It's as if the black hole is wielding an invisible blowtorch that can ignite stars from afar. This discovery reveals that black holes have far more extensive influence over their cosmic neighborhoods than we ever suspected, shaping galactic evolution through mechanisms we're only beginning to understand. Fact 6. Black hole heartbeats. Perhaps the most eerily familiar behavior of black holes is their heartbeat. While feeding, some black holes produce regular pulses of light that throb with rhythmic precision. Scientists now believe these pulses are created by shock waves rippling through the material as black holes feast. It's rather like the regular pulse you might feel in your wrist, but on a cosmic scale and produced by matter heated to millions of degrees. These cosmic heartbeats give black holes an almost living quality, as though these mathematical singularities have somehow developed a pulse of their own. Fact 7. Black hole sonifications. We can't hear sound in the vacuum of space, but NASA scientists have found a way to translate black hole data into audible frequencies, a process called sonification. Using information from the Chandra, Webb, and IXPE spacecraft, they've created haunting audio representations of black holes. Some sound like deep, ominous drones, while others produce higher-pitched whistles and chirps. These sonifications aren't just scientific curiosities. They allow us to experience these invisible cosmic objects through a different sense entirely, revealing patterns and behaviors that might otherwise go unnoticed in visual data alone. Fact 8. Wandering black holes. We typically expect to find massive black holes anchored at the centers of galaxies. But UC Berkeley astronomers recently made a startling discovery: a massive black hole, weighing about 1 million times the mass of our Sun, roaming through the outer regions of a galaxy. This stealth black hole, located about 2,600 light-years from the galaxy's center, revealed itself only when it violently tore apart a passing star. It's the first optically discovered off-nuclear tidal disruption event, suggesting that black holes can wander through galaxies like cosmic nomads. This discovery raises the unsettling possibility that rogue black holes might be more common than we thought, silently drifting through the cosmos until they encountered something to devour. Fact 9. First black hole. Triple system. Many black holes exist in binary systems, orbiting a companion star. But astronomers have now spotted something unprecedented: a black hole orbited by 2 stars, creating the first confirmed black hole triple system. This unusual arrangement challenges our understanding of how black holes form. While most black holes in binary systems are thought to emerge from the gravitational collapse of a dying star, this triplet suggests some black holes might form directly from collapsing gas clouds, a fundamentally different birth process. It's like discovering a new branch on the family tree of these cosmic objects, revealing that black holes are even more diverse in their origins than we previously believed. Fact 10. Primordial black holes. Our final fact ventures into the realm of the truly mind-bending. Theoretical physicists propose that tiny primordial black holes might have formed in the early universe and could still exist today. These microscopic black holes might be all around us, potentially hollowing out planets and even passing through our bodies, leaving only the faintest traces. If they exist, they could explain much of the missing matter that seems to exert a gravitational pull, yet barely interacts with light. The most astonishing implication: you might have had a primordial black hole pass through you while watching this very documentary, and you wouldn't even know it. From our galaxy's misaligned central black hole to the possibility of microscopic black holes zipping through our bodies, these 10 discoveries reveal black holes to be far stranger and more diverse than we ever imagined. As our telescopes grow more powerful and our understanding deepens, who knows what other mind-bending secrets these cosmic enigmas will reveal. Perhaps the most exciting thought is that the most astonishing black hole discoveries are still waiting to be made. In the cosmic ocean of space and time, black holes remain the ultimate paradox, objects so dark that they illuminate our understanding of the universe itself.